Yo, what's going on, y'all? So today we're gonna be going over how I turned a $50 drone and a $20 part into a working drone. So long story short, I was on Facebook Marketplace like I shouldn't have been doing, but I was on Facebook Marketplace and I found this drone. DJI Spark. The seller said that he flew it one time, put it in his drawer, went to go fly it again, didn't fly. Came with the GPS alarm. So as I was talking to him, I looked it up real quick to see if this was an issue that I could fix or if the drone just down bad. Turns out these drones have a issue where the GPS card has a weak connection on it and it'll either short out or the GPS connection will go bad, and that's what this issue was. So meet up with the guy, $50 for the drone, and take it all apart. Lo and behold, that is an issue. The GPS card was corroded. I don't know how that's happened, but it's a kind of problem with these drones. So, a $20 eBay part, 2 weeks later, and the drone's back up and running. So, it's going to be a video of how I did that. Right after this little talking point, you'll see like a little screen instructions. It's like 8 steps, super simple. Anybody can do it. And let me know how you guys feel. So, go from there.